If you need to delete an admin user in Calendly, this video will walk you through the process step by step in a simple and safe way. Whether you're cleaning up old team accounts, removing someone who no longer needs access, or managing your Calendly workspace more efficiently, this guide will save you time and help you do it correctly. And before we get into it, if this video helps you out, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe for more quick software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, log into your Calendly account using the admin credentials for the Workspace. Make sure you're signed into the correct account, especially if you manage more than one Calendly workspace. Once you're inside, look for the Admin Center. This is where all of your workspace level settings and user management options are stored. After opening the Admin Center, click on Users. This section shows everyone who has access to the account, including admins and other team members. Take a moment to scan the list carefully so you're looking at the correct person before making any changes. If your workspace has a lot of users, you can use the available search or filtering options to make finding the right account faster. Now find the admin user you want to remove. Double check the name and role so you don't accidentally remove the wrong person. This is especially important if several users have similar names or if multiple admins are listed in the account. Once you've located the correct admin, click the three-dot More menu next to their name. This menu opens the available actions you can take for that user. From there, select Remove or Remove and Delete, depending on the option that appears in your account. In some cases, Calendly may present slightly different wording based on your plan or workspace settings, but the goal is the same: removing that admin's access from the account. After selecting the Remove option, Calendly will usually ask you to confirm the action. This is your final chance to pause and make sure you're removing the correct user. Carefully review the prompt, and if everything looks right, confirm the action to continue. Once confirmed, the admin user will be removed from the Calendly workspace. If you chose a delete option, their account data may also be deleted or disconnected depending on Calendly's current settings and permissions. If you only selected remove, the user may simply lose access without being permanently deleted from related records. That's really all there is to it. In just a few steps, you can remove an admin user in Calendly and keep your workspace organized and secure. This is a great task to know how to do if you're managing a team, updating permissions, or making sure only the right people have admin access. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more easy-to-follow software guides. And if you want, I can also help you with more Calendly tutorials like changing roles, managing team members, or updating workspace settings. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.